redemptions with this, man. This is gonna be intense. So we got Ariana taking on Chance Hope. This is gonna be intense, but this is not the same Chance Hope. This is not Hope. We're stepping into the Thrasher side of things here. So this is gonna be intense. So of course, I broke my light, so there's not gonna be a lot of light in here. But honestly, just like paying redemption and stuff where I gotta buy a new light. It's probably gonna take me a little bit to get one, but you already know. Did it before, so So Ariana, knockout Achilles, 11 trans dash. So of course paying homage. And that's technically what double BU plus is. I technically explained it with the first battle and stuff with it. And oh my god, dude, the teeth wear. There's technically teeth wear on this. Because I can see all the white. I don't even know, but I think that's teeth wear. Pretty sure. It sucks that teeth wear happens on here. And then we got Blizzard Thrash. So he's going to be intense. So, it's technically stamina versus balance. And honestly, it's going to be intense. Okay. So, gotta lock load it. Alright, here we go. Boom. And ooh. Oh. Yo, they're both. Yo! Ariana's on balance. Thrasher. And Thrasher takes it. Alright. So much stuff around me. Alright, well, that's one. Boom. And uh-oh. Yo, big hit. Uh-oh. Also, it's in the stamina mode. Yo, it's getting way off balance. Uh-oh. That's not good. Same thing for Thrasher. And yo. I don't even know who won that. I don't even know. Alright. I'm gonna call it a draw. Alright. Boom. And boom. Hit. Hit. Uh-oh. Gotta regain that balance. Oh, that's not good. It's not good. It's way off balance. We're both off balance. That's good. And Ariana takes it. Alright. So that's 1-1. Alright. Boom. 1-1. Take it. Yo, this is intense, dude. Battle with stamina. Oh, big hit. Yo. Dude, they're crazy off balance right now. Oh, Ariana. Or Ariana. And Chance Hope. Alright, 2-1. Ariana. Alright. So, 2-1, boom. And okay. Yeah, if Chance Hope takes it here again, then gonna switch Ariana to attack mode. So you always get way off balance. And Ariana, alright? Showing off that balance. Alright, 2-2. But if Thrasher does take it again, then I'm gonna switch the modes on it anyway. Anyway, it's being the goofball. So far, this is intense, dude. Definitely a battle with stamina. Alright. Boom. And boom. Big hit. Yo, big hit. Yo, this is intense. Yo, big hit. It's 2-2. This is super intense. Ariana goes down. Alright, well, that is 3, so I'm going to have to switch the modes. we're going on with the attack mode with it. So, yeah. I kind of like this attack mode. It's not really aggressive. It's just perfect. Alright, so it's still 3-2. So, now maybe with the attack mode, it might can come back with it. There we go. We got the attack mode. It's not really aggressive, but it's just right. Oh, big hit, yo. The attack. Yo, the attack. There we go. Ariana. Now getting those attacks, bro. But it has to focus on those attacks now, man. That's the big thing with it. 3-3. It's tied up. Using the attacks. Alright, boom. Now, Ariana counter. Okay. I think it's switched it. I'm pretty sure it switched it modes. I'm not mistaken. I think it did switch modes. Alright, well, that's for in a little bit. I kind of like when you tilt launch like trans, it kind of switch it modes. So, you know, it kind of switched it modes. So, you know, but that is for the 3. If it goes down again, then I'm gonna call it. It literally switches modes. I kind of like when you tilt launch it. It like switch modes a little bit. Okay. Because, yo, the attacks. Yo, the attacks. Yo, these attacks. These attacks are crazy. Now you gotta get Thrasher off balance. That's the thing with it. Uh-oh. Trying to stall it out. And yeah, man, it definitely worked, man. For sure, man. You guys can see, like, it was literally on a half a slope. It's crazy, man. But Ariana taking the win over Chance Hope yet again. This was a little bit intense, you know, being a stamina versus a balance type for sure. This one was intense for sure, man. Really intense, you know. Definitely came down to pure stamina with it, and yeah, man. But the attack mode just helping it out in a major way. That's why it's there, man. You know, literally having elements of Natalie, Faith, and technically Bree with it as well. Like having like all the elements. Like I kind of like that, having all the elements. But anyways, Ariana taking the win over Chance Hope.